And so now we want to, join these lines. We're going to use a little bit different command called Polyline Edit and Multiple. But to do that, let's turn off the sidewalk. So we'll turn that off. And then let's go ahead and turn off the bottom of curb for now, leaving just the curb, the 1A curb. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in command Polyline Edit or pedit. Make sure we type in pedit. And then you can see the options is multiple. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to multiple, and I'm going to just do a window selection around all of these, and found 60 it shows. So I'm going to press enter. It's going to ask, do I want to convert to polylines? So we'll go ahead and say yes to that. And then we want to join. So we're going to hit J for join. And it has a gap tolerance. So if the lines don't exactly match up, you can put in a gap tolerance. We're going to leave it as 0 for now. It's not going to join everything, and I'll show you why in a minute. Is because the elevation tolerance is wrong, or the elevation is different between some of these objects. So let's see what it does just by doing that. So running that command, you'll see now this line looks like it's been all connected all the way down to that line right there. And then the same thing with this line, the bottom one has been all connected. So that saved us a lot of having to manually go around and select each individual one. So you can see these didn't get joined, right? And then over here, we didn't get joined either. Now, the reason, and then we got a little line up there that we don't need to join or even worry about right now. The reason that it did that, let's take a look. If we go into the orbit mode and we do a free orbit, and I rotate this up, you'll see that that line right there is not the right elevation. And actually, if we look at it, this line is at 0, and this line is like at negative 17. So let's just go back to top, and what we're going to do is we're going to pick on both of these lines, and we'll take a look at their properties. And if we scroll down, you can see the Z value is negative 17. So we're going to highlight that, press 0, and now we've got that at 0. We can pick this line, right click, or I'm sorry, you can either double left click. That goes into the polyline edit where we can right click, pick join, pick this line and this line. And now you can see that that's one line. So we can do the same thing, double left click, right click, join, pick this line and this line. And now that one's joined. All right, so now that we've got these two done, we got to look at these other ones. And I'm going to break the video here, and we'll come back and we'll look at these in a little bit greater detail. You can see that this didn't get joined, but this one did. And we want to join this, but if we pick on this, that's a line. And if we pick on this here and we look at the properties, you can see we've got some elevations that we need to fix. So I'm going to break it here, and we'll clean these up in the next video.